What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today is, obviously the title says it all, but I've got these carbon badges as you can see. So I'm going to have them replaced because the normal silver ones just don't cut it anymore, especially the color of my car. It just doesn't blend in with anything. There's nothing on my car that's silver on the outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these replaced. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And then yeah, but first of all, this car is filthy. So you can see it's really dirty, and obviously everything else is carbon, but we're going to replace this badge with something more better, and I think that there just changes the whole car look and it's going to really stand out. So I've got that for the front and back, get that replaced, and yeah, then it's the wing mirrors and everything else that comes with it. So stay tuned guys and watch the video and hope you enjoy it. Cheers.
I don't need to tell you that it's over, and I know if I come any closer, I don't need to tell you that it's over, and I know if I come any closer, this is gonna be too much for us to do. I don't need to tell you that it's over. You can probably say it in the way I stay, and I know if I come any closer, this is gonna be too much.
There it is. It's off. Now, the main part is clearing all this. Please make sure you throw this away in the rubbish bin. Don't leave it lying around. Don't be an idiot. Now I know this is quite a lot of prep to do in order just to get it clean and ready, but I'd rather put in the work knowing I've done it properly rather than knowing I haven't. So finally finished the car, it's all finished now, so hopefully you guys could have a look and see how to replace the badges. Quite simple, it's very quick and easy. I'll show you the things that I used. So basically all I've used is the Methylated Spirit to remove the rubber that was stuck to the back of what was on the metal. So I had that removed, just a plain card. One of the plastic pieces that remove trim around the inside of your car without damaging it, and then I just used a T-cut to finish it off and wipe it down. It was fairly simple to do, quick and easy, and I think it's done quite a good job on the car. I'm very pleased with it. Sorry about the lighting, and yeah, I'm just happy it's done. So let me do a little intro and you guys can have a look and tell me what you think. I'll leave everything in the description at the bottom. So that's it, that's a wrap now for it. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I've got a few more mods to do. I'm doing the wing mirrors, so they're going to be carbon. I am thinking, this is only a thought, I'm thinking about doing the bonnet in a carbon wrap, but that's just a thought. I don't want to get too crazy. I want it to be subtle, I want it to look nice. So yeah, guys, like I said before, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more content to come, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, guys.